Yes, me people, they are back a yard. What? Oh, we don't no clock, sorry. One thing, my people, in the name of Jesus, please. You see this channel, me I tell you, this channel, a whole heap of content I got to put it right away. Just subscribe. Look down below. You see, if the color red not change it to grey for me, please. That's all me I beg you. Please, and share it. If you know how to watch, just share it, subscribe and leave it. Please, but watch. Cause you're not gonna miss the threesome if you know watch. Big threesome. Yeah, hurry up, go get some now.
Candy, boy, I tell you, today was such a hard day. So I feel I drink coffee for revive myself, cause yo, too much energy used up there, but I still have my energy for you, man. Don't worry yourself. Everything go alright for later on. You know what I mean?
I saw you go on, man. Always tell me about later. And you save up energy for me. Save up energy for me? Every time you tell me say you save up energy for me. By later, me lie down in the bed, not even 2 minutes, you drop asleep. I don't understand how I go on.
Babe, remember this now. We are living in the human race. So who first come, win. You understand? Yeah. That time for half an hour, 45 minutes. That I when at 13, left that today. The young shooters out there, you know, the shotters, aka shotters. You know what I mean? A long time we do it thing, you know. You know what I mean? Enjoy it too. And you better glad to me come quick, cause some people can't come none at all. You know what I mean?
You say energy, you know? I never me. I don't say nothing about no energy. Babes, you know it's a time to be step up with the family thing there.
Family thing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my family, I don't understand what you're talking about. Explain more. I'm gonna get what you say.
I want one baby now.
What you say? Baby? I'm a rock stone.
And you are all out. Time for you give me one baby now, man. I don't understand. How I go on?
In that demo time, yeah. That's a whole long business right now, yeah? If me want pitney, I would invest so much now, you look how much condom over top there, so. You see it? Condom and all these things, and accoutrements and birth controls and all these trolls and all these things. No, man. No, right now. Alright, you are going. I'm not going to break your hopes, because I understand you have, you know, you have your intentions, you have your dreams. But guess what happened now? No. Give me 10 more years.
10 more years? I don't understand. How am I going to wait 10 more years? I don't even know if 10 more years from this me still can have one pitney. And what I go on with you? Something wrong with you and you won't tell me? You keep secret from me? You need to let me know. Because if something wrong with you, maybe carry on.
Yeah, something wrong with me? You can't look on me? Hey, mama, when me turn up, you know. You know what I mean? When me step in. When me spit out. You never know how I go. I mean run things. You know what I mean? But guess what now? I am trying to let you understand that. I'm not ready for that right now. Because we need to fly out. We need to you know what I mean? Instead of here try to find who we gonna left Jim Brown or who say whatever we gonna call the baby name to or with. We can use a money that enjoy ourselves. Alright. Since at 10 you have a problem with 8 more years. See? And then we can
alright, kid. Rain and come down. You didn't take up the clothes then?
Yeah, man. Rain and fall. Of course we take up the clothes. The clothes them take up. You know what I mean? Alright, look on it now. If baby when they are right now, you feel so we can they are cool out and watch the rain? Eh? Just think about that. Right now, I don't tell you something no one running up. And nobody feels something happen to me because everybody I work properly. You understand? So understand this, it's not just about that, it's about
babe, no miss why problem. You feel say if we have one child together, you're not gonna explore no more. You're not gonna enjoy yourself, you can't go nowhere, you can't this, you can't that. Nothing go so. Because we can enjoy ourselves watching the child grow up together. It's nice when you watch a picnic grow up, you know. You teach them right from wrong and make them know the truth from wrong things. You understand? Yeah. So I don't understand how you want just stay so.
Argument done, you know, lack of that sound that can play so. See? Because me there so now I just want me to just enjoy the moment. And at that you bring come naga. What the fuck, you are going. Me have a cool out run so you know. So go and do your thing, yeah? Because I can't understand what about. Cool out over your saying. You want to look more now.
What you idiot? Going out in the rain.
Alright.
When you're sick, make sure you say not come in with no flu and not contaminate me because I'm doing business with you.
And that you say, you're right.
Lucky. That's why I don't forget pick me when you're not sick and then big then can help you know. Look for you soon. Now wait for you.
So you don't know say, go down this over there go buy a pound of flour in one shop. Everything raised up in it, you know mommy?
Yeah man, everything raise up. Sometimes I go down there to buy me one left and come home here. You go to buy 2 items and the price what you get. Me so give up shop still you know. You can't go in it for long. Cause it's like me hungry I throw one pad. I say same money you put in, you take out the back same way. You rough me boss. So if you can't manage it,
True enough mommy. But you know say you can't give up the shop still, that's all them things they run, you see me?
Can't give up.
Every dollar count still, you know?
Can't give up up. Really.
Really, man.
Lad, me I will not support me still. Give thanks, you hear?
Well, yes, man. Sometimes you give me something though.
I'm going to give me heart. What you say? Can't manage it.
Yeah, man.
Thing good. Navi, service.
Yeah.
Service always up round there saying, you know.
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, yeah, me. Yeah, give me one Pepsi, I say to my stomach, you answer, cause.
No, so cold in what you can't drink.
Yeah, man, it's good, man. Never think of you. Can't deal with the icy sitting, you know.
So I'll go on,
Yeah,
Jenna.
me.
Long time in the see you in that place, you know. Where you deal with?
I'm there easy, no, brother. Just have to take a stroll and beat a one Pepsi second my stomach, you know what I mean? Cause I'm there raised with mama a while ago. She talk about picnic them in a dinner time. You know what I mean? Cause, alright, Navi, I have Pepsi now. The Pepsi price now raised from last month.
Yeah, man. Price then raise up, man. But then should have dare still, you know. But that's why I want to support me all along, you know. I work
Everything
with
can
them.
raise, brother. And then she gonna talk about picnic in a dinner days.
I understand what you're saying now. But you can't watch that, you see me? Because the youth them want to come. You see me? You get no youth yet?
No, sir, I'm not getting no youth yet. But yo, brother, I run down things. Yo, me a young brother, you know. You know what I mean? Me not run that down. That will come, man. Time did it for that. You know what I mean? Right now, I just want to enjoy myself and, you know what I mean? Just see what life has.
Yeah, I understand. Well, some of us say we are waiting upon time in the brother, and when the time run out now, we all still start to look around some people with all them family. Feel all the way. You know, you're going to need a youth them to come take care of you. You know them ready?
Yeah, man. That's something I want, you know what I mean? That's something I can deal with things, because, yo, time now wait for no man still, you know. But at the end of the day, I still have to, hold on, I still have to deal with that. Hold on. Yeah, Richie. Yo. Me there. Where you there? Alright, good. Here what you do for me? Me have one line bill when I want pay. Yeah man, just pay for me. And when me see you, just give it. Oh yeah man, I can deal with you man. Yeah man, I can start it. Don't worry yourself. How much? Alright, me pay bill man, don't worry. Alright, bless yourself man. Cool. Alright. Yeah. General, you are going there now. You have to cut out you know. See? So bless yourself. Yes sir. Yo, a long time in the see you. What you doing here, sir?
What you mean? Alright, up there some live. Me live up there for around 5 years now.
Yeah? Wait a sec, what period there, sir? That means you have to do some catch up, you know. But all your time stay during the day. Like, you know, you're free, you know, what time? What are you free?
You know, say though, I work from home. So during the week, I'm busy, but on the weekend I'm free. But you not have a girlfriend?
No, I never have a girlfriend. I never have a girlfriend, man. So wait a sec, weekend you're free, we can link up, cause next weekend will be perfect for me.
Yeah man, I'm supposed to free next weekend, you know. Next weekend can work.
Alright, here we go. You see, next weekend, 7 p.m, Rex Cafe. Oh, that's all.
Yeah man, no problem. You know, so I look forward to it.
Alright, you see? That sound like a date. Maybe I just make you put your number in a this phone, yeah? You know what I mean?
Alright.
And then link up. You're not gonna start in and know yourself. Just gonna take my time. So care. Link up. Here.
Alright.
So upload it, say that.
Yeah, upload it.
So later we talk here.
Alright.
Girl, ain't gone no long. All me dey talk to him about is that we need a child. And he start kick up in antics and gone in the mad self about him gone a road. So, he gone, me no business with him. Make him go on, he should have wait up in a rain and catch cold. Make him come back and say nothing to me. I'm lucky.
The man right for you. You know see how time hard. Where you do baby in them a time ya? Or if him no want breed you, go back one next one breed you.
You know, saying that make no sense. Sometimes we say something to some kind of people we take for a friend. I can't believe say you just said that to me. Really? Girl, so you don't want to pick me?
Of course I want pitney. But me wait until I financially stable me breed. I'm for breed now. I'm a broke. I can't find food now.
It come like you have some problem or something, you know. You know what? Me I come get up and go on my yard. Sorry, me did come over here.
What one can be?
Maybe a man, you good?
Yeah, man.
The man, I just left me a little, you know? So you link, yeah?
How go on, babe? You know, say, Candy man just over shop. I thought about she pressure him for baby and them something.
You know what I say? I said things she over here so that then she come and talk say. I'm no business with her. You look like she don't realize how things are run all time hard.
Jano Star, you know, so I'm not even feel for going to my yard tonight, yeah. Can't take the vibes down on the yard, man. Sure, let's see what I'm going to say. The man trying to save your skirt, yeah, alright.
Hello?
No, I'm not calling it too fast, you know.
No, you're not coming too fast. Oh, you want to come over? Alright, you can come, man. Yeah, me there lonely too.
You feel the same way? My God, alright, here we go. I don't know if I can pass through, because I'm up on the road, I don't really... You know, I don't know what to do, but if you just come check it. That the mood I'm in right now. Come? Alright. What color house?
I want white house. Yeah, I want a grill paint white too. It's not hard to find, man, you can't find it. Alright, man, we'll pay you.
Alright. I found right now, here? Right now. Alright, babe. Cool. Yeah, come. Alright.
Come like this, a man and now come in yard. How about this man? How make this a man and I want a baby now? I wonder what I could have do to change his mind. No man, it might take long to come. I go call him.
General. How go on, man? I have no condom.
No, I say I don't say none of there now, my father.
None of there.
None of there, my father.
Alright, you know what? Respect my manners. Yes, sir.
That's alright.
You know, it's a long time ago. Alright. Nothing wrong if you take a one chance, you know. Long time I know her.
I'm coming. Hi.
Listen.
You see, if you're not busy later, I'd like if you could come over again, because I have something extra special for you.
Oh, I see the paper when I didn't even realize I'm concerned. I said, even fought for me. Anyways, you think me not see the man who come out to your house this morning? Tell me what go on, because I know you not have no man. Where you get man from? Talk up.
I saw you watch out my business. Make you see man come over my yard. Girl, I want to look a friend for a long time. And come over there where they just busy at talk, because a long time I not see where catch up and things.
Virgin Mary that baby boy. You think me born yesterday? I know say una there in there do things. Una did there in there do things. You think my born big like so not true?
Alright, me I go tell you what go on. You see? I'm looking a friend and me did the last night and me just lonely and bored and he called me and said him come over. Me just say, alright, come over. And he come and greet him at the door and thing. And we did there and him touch me and I get excited and I just split the pineapple and make him put the banana in there. Girl, me not tell a lie. It's nice. Girl, you know have it in a waist alone, you have it in a face too.
Yes, girl, you're born. So girl, I feel your man or what? I need to know, you know. Because if I feel a personal man, when I see him on the road with a girl, I have to go say something. But if I don't hear a man and I see him on the road with a girl, I know say I have to squat my like a ass and go one side. I hear a man or what?
Girl, to be honest, I don't know where we stand yet because we never see each other for a long while and we just see each other. I went yesterday and we just decided to link up and thing. But me here saying I'm a girlfriend still. But me just go on and see where things go.
Alright, you can't go down anyways. I like mix up my come from here because you know I'm ever done in a year.
Alright, me girl, text me when I reach done. Okay. I'm with him realize say you're not really into me again.
What?
See all this man you wake up. Normally when you wake up you just say, babes, you look pretty, you know. This man you know say, babes, you look pretty or nothing. You just get up and just start the way you do so. How I go on?
Look how much things you have to do this morning. Go wash your plate. Go sort out the mat out of front. I don't know how to sort it out because there's so much things you are telling me to do at once. And then me I do it. I don't know what I want. Babe, you're pretty every day. You understand, you're a beautiful woman, but you have to understand, say, when you put me under pressure sometimes to do everything, it's kind of frustrating. Me go forget. Because you love attention, you know that.
Yeah.
So stop acting like that.
You're supposed to love attention. Me feel your woman. You're a female man. If you always want your attention. As much as me give you enough things to do, in between you're supposed to come back to me. First one you do, you come back and say, babes, your eye them pretty. Second one you go back and come back to me and say, babes, your teeth them white. Third one you go, you come back and you say, babes, the shape good, you know. I want to you. I'm supposed to always have your attention. So nobody come to me with your foolishness.
My God. here with you hear yourself? I wonder if you hear yourself. If me have a phone recording right now, make you hear yourself. Me if you run go so. I relay me I play. I must relay. Me tell you this. Me understand you. But the greatest thing if you appreciate. Because more than gone left, right and center, but me still there, yes, so. Yes, me not give you attention. But come on. Jesus. Eh? You have to work it out with me. You know what I mean? Alright then. Give me a little time out then because there's no way me go run. Yes, I run. Come back. I don't really me a play.
When me a peel your banana, you ever ask the time off yet? Hello, the least you can do, I go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am. And stop the complaining about what if I think upon your brain. Me I only think for the upon your brain. When me I do the dirt and do everything where you like, you ever ask the time off yet? The least you can do, I come to me every minute and say, you look sweet today, you're looking beautiful, honey I love you, all them things there. You complain about you want time off. Hello, I only think for the upon your brain. You complain when you want this, when you want all of this? No, you're not complaining. So me tell you, say, you have to go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am, you're supposed to be. Yo, ready to come on and rock with one.
Yo, you say that girl is, you have to have style. Come here tell you, say, you see me? Me have two girls, and you see two of them live in a 1 yard. And none of them don't know. Because a style do it. Me have girl all boy place, me have girl round so. And me have one girl up on the lane there. Because of style. And I love the flow. You see what I say? Me a girl is brother. Actually you don't understand.
Oh, go on out there, so. How are they going?
So hold on there. What about you do? How much money you have?
One me have. Only one. But guess what? We don't really need no more because, she kinda too much, Because the attention thing, me not no space for nobody else. Because right now, I know that she's won't come. That's what I talk about.
How are they going? How are they going out here, so?
Babe, I'm for no reason. I eat the ice mint and cool out. Nothing wrong, nothing wrong. I talk. I just talk, I want you ready for me now?
Yo, you know something you cut to a public. Just deal with it, isn't me? Really?
So wait there, it look like your friend them more important than me. Me they in there so want little attention and you out here so with friend.
Babe, come on man, yo. Out here say my brethren and talk to him. Why make you always stick me up with something?
So I wonder how you would have feel if me forgot spend all of the time where you forget with my friend them.
Me don't want you give your attention to your friend them want me forget. You understand? So no stick me up man, just a reason for a second. You understand? So when it come down to the fact say your time or your time, me not take out of your time. So what you want from me? What you want?
You know what? Don't make me reach him before you, Don't make me reach him before you. Alright. So, where you hold out on board? You don't know what if you do?
Oh. You're beautiful. How's your day, sweetie? Is there anything else you want me to do for you now?
How you sound, sir? You don't sound confident at all. I swear me not believe you. By the way, how you the phone I text? You have next woman?
Come on, babe. You want the phone? Me not text somebody. Me just a chill because we're up on the road all day. And I start out where I start out. Me deal with everything. You close them, wash the clothes and fold up. You know what I mean? Me don't know. I just that. Alright. What you want me to do now? Tell me what you want me to do. Me don't want money.
Fuck. Give me a phone. You not use no more phone first away. Give me a phone. Give me a wallet too. Cause me not fatten no foul for man goose. Give me a wallet. Give me. Go over this, go sit down. Get up.
Yo, oh, listen, man.
Your bright self.
I feel like a torture. Just because I have a woman? No, sir.
Babe, you know, said I have something more want to tell you. I'm the one we tried to tonight.
I could have what that now?
Me come tell you.
This a rasta. Give me wallet. Second time this alive, yeah. Yo.
Babe.
Go here.
Babe. Babe, where you gone? Where you gone leave me? You know what? Me I go date a ballad. I rasta now work out.
Thank you for watching thus far. It's a pleasure. I appreciate you. You know what I mean? So guess what? If it's the first time here, you know, subscribe, like, share, and do the right thing. Because I appreciate you. And I'm just growing bigger only with you.
You're late. Plus, you don't have your book. How you plan for do?
Oh, I'm to you. We finished them the assignment there already. Or something else me come to talk to you about. But it's embarrassing.
What kind of embarrassment? How happen?
Alright, so you know I'm single, right? I'm from with you. Me I try to put myself out there. I try to get a man. I literally go to the man and I look the man. And it's like me go there, you know, and me I talk to the man. I smile and everything, you know. And then at one point he start dress back. Me I try go up to him and he just keep on a dress back. Me don't know what go on. And it happen with every one of them.
Hold on, the girl. Before you get down the line, integrity. Let me eat one of them experiment here. You want one?
No, sir, girl. Me can't eat them something there. Them feel too weird in my mouth. Plus, them give you gas.
Alright, so what you ask about the man them now? Sorry, me I have to put on my mask, you know. Corona. What you say the man them do, you know?
You sure say everything alright?
Yeah, man, girl, everything good. So what you ask about the man them?
Me not have done corona, you know. But still, the man them just a run for me, so. Me don't know why they just a run for me, so every time I go near a man, he just a run for me, so.
So girl, you not ask the man them what the reason for them a dress back from you or anything?
Girl, me not even know, you know. Cause me not want to ask them, cause me just feel embarrassed. Me not like, cause if they really like me, why they would not shy away from me and not want to deal with me? They just a pull back from me, so, and it's embarrassing. And if they didn't really like me, why they would not pull away, so? Me just can't bother ya.
Oh, going on, sir. Everything good?
Hello.
Pants, girl. How far me I come from? So, Kira, where you going? You good? Kira, how things?
Me alright, you know?
Yeah, alright. That's all I want. You know what I mean?
So, public, I'm to you. You alright? You good?
Things good, what? You think you're good? You sure you're good? Sit down, go on, let me girl.
You know, say though, you not act weird. Me want to know a walk one. Why not act so?
Let me tell you this. And you act strange. You come like you and Colgate and a malice. Let me tell you something, man. You is not a good friend. Imagine say you know say fear amount under one different construction and you have spearmint over there, so I don't really push one in and shoot. You know what I mean? Mama, and I really say me I try to bring turmoil or anything like that. But it's never too late for a little brush with a little Colgate. You know what I mean? Don't hurry and come out your house. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day still, I don't want to feel too bad. Because you might have a rotten teeth when I back your mouth or something go on. I don't know. The situations are different. You know what I mean? But You can't people like around here because guess you know. She now make you know say boy something not going on under this. So me can't take it no more. You want to go on, handle of business. You find something to do. If you never have nothing to do, you go to sitting. You need to find a new friend. Me out. You start prepare food then?
No, I do dishes them first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm hungry, you know.
But here one
What?
I don't have enough flour and support.
You don't have enough what?
Flour so you now get enough dumpling like we like.
Jeez, how kind of situation that? Tonight a wrong night for that, you know. So how comes the flour so a little bit?
I never remember forgetting.
No worries, man. Let's go on the way, yeah? Because me understand the situation. I just me and you, and we're hungry belly cousin now really passed through today, so we're good to go.
Alright.
Yeah?
Public!
Baby, hear that?
Public!
Bye.
Public! That sound like public, did you, man? What? Welcome myself here, man. What? Open up. Nobody in?
Yo, what?
What me do?
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me just come from the bar. I'm frost.
You're frost? Why look like you walk with the bar?
You don't have no food around there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, sit down, man, sit down.
No, you always have cook them there, man. So where your wife there? You know around there?
She asleep. A late time, brother. You see, since the curfew, everybody have to go to bed early. You know what's that saying right now? We don't have no choice. Because I guess I know, we almost stop down at a restaurant to buy some food because we never plan to cook. Me never plan to cook. So it's like say, you know, we have to just go to bed.
Listen to me. Curfew is no curfew when you're there in your yard. So if you tell me you want to little food around there, oh, you have curfew in your yard, and in your yard you're there.
Hey, lower your voice before my wife wake up and start curse you. You know what I mean? But guess what you have to go do? You have to go find something to eat around so you know, or something, but nothing not going there, so. I can't guarantee you that. You know what I mean?
We don't wake up your wife. We don't wake up your...
Oh.
You don't smell that?
No, I'm not smell that.
Whoosh!
I'm not
No,
smell that.
man, I smell food, man.
No, man, you are going now. I know food, you smell.
Sit
down, man. Sit down, take your time. Sit down, man. Just relax, man. Me don't know, maybe a KFC smell wrong, so car breeze a blow heavy and thing.
Me know KFC smell. You have to tell them all that life for 3 hours before you get a piece of chicken and you tell me that KFC. No, man, come on.
Don't worry yourself, man. Here what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if I the neighbor and see what I go. Here, don't go first, man. Everything good.
Hurry up now, come on, piece of chicken. Hungry, I'm back, me, man.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. See? I check and forward back. Hey, man, I smell the food from out there, so me nah share no food tonight. You hear me say, help me window them, lucky pot them, don't make a sense come out of the pot. Help me do, as a matter of fact, help me window them, make it blow over neighbor yard. Help me them. So, step aside. I come and get you. Yes.
You don't want me there.
Fast, come on, I want to go. Yes, help me do if I saw the case. What me do with them? What me do? Yeah, I can see so. I soon come here. After making go. Yo, you still there?
If me still there, if you know me hungry.
Go over look more. Here I go on. I have bad news to tell my brother.
What happened now?
I know the neighbor will like me. I cook. So, them I cook, but you can't get none. Your dog knows I work for truth. Food I cook, man, that year. You can't smell the atmosphere. You know what I mean? But I'm sorry for you. I don't know how you work it out. You have to go just, you know, go and go eat a piece of bull or something, I don't know.
Listen up. Your neighbor mind that talking But maybe if me go over there go beg them, so me just pass through your house and go talk to them. And them no talk. But me and them we agree. Just let me pass through this, please. I'm going to go talk to them.
Hold on. I know so this thing work. Me tell you already. Say me woman in there asleep. I mean I want she wake up and come cuss you. Cause and then me know if when time come and time get cold, me can't go touch her. Cause she go vex with me. You understand? And you know say in a them a time ya breeze a blow cold. You understand?
Papa, look how long me cooking mackerel up there and I wait upon you.
Mackerel again? I'll be a mackerel with milk.
Milk?
Yes, go on.
As a matter of fact, you know, you better come up near me food, you know. Me nah if you done here. I put a blast. Yo, come pull the grill. Come.
Public.
Come near me food.
Public.
Come near me food.
Go on. Hey, if you've been watching so far, guess what? Thanks for the support. Thanks for staying with us. Thanks for enjoying. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, comment, and share. This is Popeye, and this is
Bad girl Carrie.
My God, you hear that? Bad.
Hello. If you're watching, that means God bless you today.
Yes, Lord.
And I'm glad. And I said hallelujah.
My youth, what may you say going with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
When you say with what?
With what, me general? Me don't know nothing where you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me don't understand.
Yo, me in a little pity business with you, you know. And you know, see me and my woman saying, and you come walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me and my woman brethren, and me I try to make it work. A long time we a try get it settled, you know. And you come advertise certain things. Eh? What problem?
No man. You get some bad to us. You just go accuse me. I want to tell people say you're a gallus. I'm from not see you as no gallus. Eh? You're one burner man. Who could have called me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean, man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you as no gallus. Probably me might see you with 6, 7, 8 gal along the road. Me don't call that gallus.
Yo,
a boy
Upper
think
Kerry
that.
I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where I come from right now. Kerry tell me say you, I know you name Popeye, eh? Popeye, I chat all these things I talk about me. Eh? Brother, me no depend what you depend here. Me no depend what you depend. Guess what you gonna do? You have to clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know, me general. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me you know I can't tell nobody say you're a gallus. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I show me that one. Do something idea. Yo, who you call girl clone?
Where you do? Put it down. You can't even beat your woman yard and me or beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright. Everything good.
You have to test it before you try. On this third man, palm and chocolate there.
Next time, clear the place, yeah.
Mixed up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Kerry!
Oi!
What on?
But there.
You know where Popeye may I come from?
Yeah?
Yeah man, Popeye may I come from right now.
What on?
He might tell me what I go on. You know what I mean? Cause me have to check him. You know, regardless of telling me what I go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty-gritty. Cause me can't bother to mix up.
You really go for Papa after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. I not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm tell you, I go back to
I can't take it mix up. I have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I just ease myself. I'm a woman, me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin. But guess what now? I have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I have to see really what I want. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him still
Okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me name now follow you? Eh? You think me name now follow you? You! What you call up my name for? You lady, yes, you!
Me?
You! And him. I come on the contact about me, I watch him. But we tell people where my girl is. When the man got girl is, he's a girl clown. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? You want me shadow? You me shadow? Hey, don't follow me, man. We are talking about I'm so me do. Eh? You me shadow? You come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at this shit me. Yo, me lick you long enough by you. Me want to lose my money. You see me lose blue man? Me want to lose blue man. You see my friend you. Just wait. Me want to lose you.
Hold me.
Oi, easy yourself, man.
Come on, come on, that place, see how you. Just wait. Me want to see you on the road.
Listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back my name. Me know what people business. Me tell you already, people business drop on my foot. And once it drop on my foot, it go kick. So talk.
Step out that place.
What?
You.
Oi, easy yourself. What you say me call up your name with?
You tell him more me I call up this a rent a jed. Not me yam that's a rent like him. And I can talk about me say him a girl is. When me know say him a girl clown already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a girl?
When you come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see Kemar down and so with Wally pa woman. Tell me say you never say so.
Me see him, but you know, listen what me did say yesterday. Me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere. You have to put the man there aside because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl because I'm a girl fool. Me never say my girl is girl fool. And you can't tell the man about me I walk up and tell him what my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night there, you know what I mean?
One of them
I'm
night
a birthday.
One of them night
I'm a birthday, man. You know me, birthday. But yo, leave my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's about business. Yo, one birthday, it was just a gigolo.
Yo, you see how you
Calm down, man. Wanna ease in yourself.
I'm a birthday.
Wanna ease in yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here what? No need to prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Cause I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on.
Yeah,
Go on, come out that place first. Because me don't want to pass him. Yo, come on, yo, see how you go.
Go to me house, man. Go on.
You come like a grass. Go ahead, get everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Well, man, brother.
I want over there, so. Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now I want over there.
No, go on, man. Just be, my brethren going to link up over there so we are talking about, you know, who forget the partner draw and all these things. You know what I mean? But, you know, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link you,
Call link me? What you mean call link me?
I mean, I come link you, yes, get a link, because we can do some of them something, you know? Dugu. No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on the move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Send you to the fence if you lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
What owe me?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I come talk, boy, I come check me, check who you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah, remember some go out on the head top.
Excuse me, princess. Let me
Wait, somebody talk to me. Soon call you back here. Yeah, we can go out later again. Alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy. Just even though I see her up on your phone and think I don't want to be rude, you know what I mean, if I say I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, you know, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess I know a girl like you, I know so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know so I'm telling you
Hello,
this.
if you are going to tell me so you like me, just say it straight out. We are grown so much kind of for. But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can become more.
Until boy, until.
You mean?
You hear me say me have my
So
man?
hold on. Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, you know. I know you come and look this a girl. You're one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that.
So you did just run there so I look one girl and you come out here and look me?
You see a dog that.
I'm rolling.
From you hear the voice and you see the face, you know who it is. Richard Brown already. Alright? So, if it's your first time to the channel, it simply means that you have not subscribed as yet. So please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload brand new content. Because you don't know, we are grow and we need your support. So please subscribe.
Bro, yo, you know someone reason about a situation. Yeah man, it's a situation that going on where, you know, sometimes you have to wonder. Brother, so if you have your woman and feel her best friend kind of give her a vibe, you know what I mean, like she has sent you a certain signal, how you don't approach it?
What you mean? Me not understand. What you mean?
The man means say, if you da ride off your woman best friend, your woman best friend.
Yeah.
That it mean.
What you mean?
You don't do it?
What you mean? What if you stop me? Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them a girl in you. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you're gonna walk and you're gonna walk, you're the pan road, brother. Them a girl daddy, me bum, you. Them a girl you a brother.
Alright, rough. Yo, film decision just serious. So Jota, where say I go on now? What your opinion on this situation?
They do it. Cause watch it out. My woman. I not true me love her alone, you know. I loyal to do it, man. Cause what goes around come back around like in a local circle. It's me not do that, brother. Me just not do that thing. I tell you the truth.
Yo, you know, easy in the car. Alright, you see, me share same sentiment. I see him, so me say. Me not do that, brother, because I guess I know. Me have to respect, you know, like the whole loyalty process. Because it's a process, you know. Man a dog, you know. Like back in the days when me like maybe 15 and I don't know what I go on, I might would take a chance, you know what I mean? But now I respect her, she respect me, you know.
So what you say? So what you say? So what you say? So what you say? You tell me, say, if you see your woman best friend, you won't there with him. You won't there with him. A joke you know make man. Right now, me tell you say you right now some of the girl them, see some of the woman best friend them better sometimes, most of the time. Round and shape good.
Yo,
Allow me to tell you.
beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. You see if a fatty you want, and one little slim as pass through, yeah, she might have a little tight stuff, but you know what I mean? The confidence and the loyalty.
Me as a man, as a big man, me actually in order for married now. So basically, me not do no little stupidness to mash up my thing though. Yeah. And true again, if me do or go do something like that, I don't wheel over so better. No sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something, man. Everybody have them own freedom for free themselves, you know what I mean? That's what them say man a dog, you know, because some man really just live their life there. But some man, as a man say, mean harder to get married. Me now in the process of...
So hold on there. What give you the reason for the ask with all of them questions? You're up to something, you know. You see your face, you're up to something.
No, John.
Yeah, man, you're up to something.
Sometimes when you have a bridge in them, it's the best place to talk and reason on certain things, because, yo, me don't like how for me... Me don't like how for me woman, best friend, kind of, you know, she too into
something,
it.
Something for true, you know.
Look on his face. Look on his face. Look there, look on his face.
Yeah, nah.
Yo, I wish woman. Yo.
Without fire.
Yo, I wish woman Which woman?
Tell me.
You see your woman with you
Tell
want.
me. Tell me.
Yo, we are friends now. We are friends now.
Make him talk.
Yo, we are friends now.
Make him talk.
You can't keep secret now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now, daddy.
Brother, yo, hold on, man. Yo, it's like say,
Yo.
I'm a woman.
Watch it.
A pansy, man. Yo, a pansy, you know.
Hey, bring
A
up.
pansy, what so that, yo. See a wife you call. Yo, pick up on the selfie, man. You understand me? I say, we talk, a wife you call.
Yo, but yo, you take it easy. You take it easy.
Chop him, man, chop him.
Yo, you see, I come ask you a question.
I chop him, I chop it. I
Chop
want
him,
dirty
chop him,
boy.
just want eat up picking your hands.
No, I hear what we have to say. Chop him, I chop it. No. I want dirty boy.
Yeah.
Yo, I watch and see what I do. The most chop that's where they don't know. Can't better me see it in my face.
You don't see it in my face. You don't see badness in my face. Take it easy.
Babe. Yeah, man. I know say Valentine's Day, man. So you say, ready to go out? Where's the pansy today? Okay, I try to make sure. Alright, no problem, man. I'm on my way home right now. So the next 2 minutes I can see me. Alright? Cool, now come.
And 2 hours now. And public say I take 2 minutes to reach here.
You so come man, you don't know them still.
I wonder when they.
How come, babe? Pansy still there?
Yeah.
You good?
So,
So, babes. Oh, God, sorry for it take so long, man. Sorry for it take so long. Oh, my God.
why you take so long? How long me wait for you? 2 hours now.
I'm gonna try to do something special, extra special for you, but you know what? Better me just carry out and just go eat some food and we just, you know what I mean, have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So,
Me your long soon I wait for you.
yeah, man, come and tell us, yo, the on the road, tired, but you drink still like fridge?
Yeah.
Get it for me, do. And then when you get the drinks, we just ready and go out. Yeah?
Alright, yeah.
Alright. Don't stay too long, you know?
Alright. You not done packet?
You so me done on my hand.
Okay, so leave. Alright. Yeah, come.
So public, if me did in our relationship, with all them nice Valentine's things here and stuff, you get what me I say? Me don't really want to hear still, you know, but you get what me I say?
But me no know, me no think we fi even entertaining conversation because she will chat me up, me sure about that. You know what I mean? So, but me no know.
So me ask you something. You think me attractive?
Yes, but Bob Marley will done say there is Bob Marley say one love, one heart, one at a time, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so we can share our love.
Yeah, but let me think about it. Decide me can.
Yeah, come go and I'm going to find you.
You sit down close the door.
She good, man. She good. Don't worry yourself, be. You know, say I'm a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. She good, man. Don't worry yourself. Hey, I've been through so much today, so be stressed out, tired and all that. But you ready to go? Girl, go with me. Come on. I want to have a good night tonight. How about the eyes, man? Honey.
And action.
Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them a girl in a youth. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you gonna walk and you gonna walk, you the pan road, brother. Them a girl daddy, me bum youth. Them a girl you a brother.
No, we can't go.
No, we're not gonna tell us if we love him, no. We're not gonna tell us if we love him. We're not gonna tell us if we love him. We're not gonna tell us if we love him. Action.
Yeah. You still there? Why go and pansy everything?
What pansy? Pansy all. Come on, Razzie.
No. Apology, me, I'm calling.
You know what I mean? Have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So, but if you come over, come on out to. Want you hurt her feelings? I can't say yes. Can't say yes. Lady!
I'm gonna take so long to come in. You have to come in.
Check out the film now. Like, subscribe, enjoy. Right?
Why wonder Papa go so miserable, man? Yo, Papa, forward there.
Why, man?
There, why free now? Why you come from up the road so miserable, man?
Why? You don't know. I'm telling you, my friend. You know, some woman pissed me off, though. 3 months. No sex. Nothing. Not to look at chops. I mean, I want to go out there and cheat. That makes it worse.
Why? Why rough your fault, boy? I have to give him some Spanish fly, my boy.
You know, to come to think of it. Me need to penetrate the Spanish fly, no boy. That's a good idea. But wait. Come to think of it, though. Me go use it. Me not go do it in time to stop. Because you know that's something make me horny bad. So, I want to do it naturally.
Boy, Papa, I'm telling you something, man. You have to go back some blend up, man, and put the Spanish fly in there, man, and make him drink him, and make him in emotion, man. Because I know the thing we work, man. Because I know the woman, they want it hard, you know. That's why you know, make you feel up, you know, you have to give her hard, man. You see me? You have to give her hard, you see it? You have to do your thing official, you see me?
You know, say right. Me I go home right now, go give it a try. Since I just say hard. Big up yourself. Alright. Well, roots up here now, you know. Oh, alright. See you alright.
So, Papa, how will they see a miserable love? To you?
God no. I tell you the truth, Slim. I don't know where to start. Trust me. I would wish if I could help you right now. I don't know where to start.
And I'm here to help. I can't bother with the miserable vibes, man. Don't miserable yourself when you're around me. Sure. But for real, you can start from the beginning and tell me how I go on.
Tell you the truth right now, Slim. I just some pum want to you know. The one that in my yard right now. No matter how I try to touch him, my box off me and he not even nothing right now. Blow balls me out to have you now. You man not even nothing. Me I want to be a man.
Really?
Right.
Really?
Oh.
That make you dare some miserable yourself? So really, what really happened up a yard with your mama? Make she not give enough.
Right now, you know, Slim. But I say the same thing because you are a woman because every minute me want something from her, me I touch her, she a box me from her hand, me put on clothes from her, she get up. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on the next man. I don't know how she change and turn the other way around. So it's something or something.
Yeah, that really a go on? I not give her no money, you know? Or you not provide the service them properly? Because that don't sound right.
Stamina is not the problem as far as I can see. But, enough of she. Enough of she. Me get over she the pan I want, you know. Differently, what about you? I couldn't get some.
No man, Papa. Nothing can go on here, so. You don't know so me have my man already. But for real, I wonder if something specific she want and you not give her.
I can't want me to think you are talking about, Mama. You can't talk about that right now in my head. I can't that. Explain yourself, please. I can't understand. Explain what you are trying to say me now. Yeah.
That one, so man. You can't freak out through me tell you that. You know the normal things where man them do nowadays.
What you just say a while ago? Eh? What you just say? Them the thing they don't ramp with. You only thing to go for my plate of food they cook. She have to keep that to herself. If you want me to be friend, don't mention that to me, please. Don't mention it. You know that? Mr. Mutt not so strong. Don't do it again, man. Say something different.
Where you going so far? And now man something them there nowadays. And that's why your woman not sponsor you. Now you're going so far. You hear them sing song about lick lick. Now man something them there. And not if you try.
Try what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I come from my yard because you now lead me to straight. You and your lick and what you want to talk about on TV can stay one place because me now go down that road. Right.
Watch him. Go on in your yard, man. And no found out do it behind closed door and I go on like say you not do nothing. All you probably do it too. Go on, man. Go on in your yard. Right.
Hello, subscribe. Yeah, you guys subscribe? Please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Please. If you subscribe, you get a lot of video every day. If you not subscribe, subscribe now. Leave a like, leave a share. Subscribe, tell me that you share, and I will respect you and give you a thumbs up. Subscribe, I always watch your comment. No problem. Welcome to Jamaica, where the crime rates are high. Subscribe.
And action.
Right now, Slim, your woman, are you should have asked me because if every minute me I touch her, she a box off me hand. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on another woman. What the f me I say?
And action.
Something what? What are you trying to tell me? Say something with a blow or this?
Action.
Subscribe, yeah? Comment, like, share. Tell them what you're sitting
here.
Tell them what you're sitting here.
You go on like you know and then go over to Akeem Lawrence channel.
And then them there.
Them
subscribe.
Who did they already? Go and go tell who no did they. Go and subscribe to Akeem Lawrence channel right now. Who don't know say Akeem run things. See him? Bless up on yourself. Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe. And Reality JA.
Right away.
Public channel.
Public with a K.
Yes.
Don't forget that.
Okay.
Love your walk. I need to do these things more often, baby.
Yeah, definitely.
Carry the next step. And we're gonna do it, baby.
Just think more on that I know still though. There's something to talk to you about. Yeah. I think more, you know.
More? Of course, you always want more. What kind of more you want? What kind of more you want? Tell me.
Just want to be more spontaneous, you know.
Yeah, that means.
I feel like so we can maybe buy one handcuff. One time, I do my thing. You know, so you can't move, you know.
You know, so I like to move anyway, so why you don't want to tie me up? That doesn't sound too... I don't know.
But anyways, we can think about it.
Alright, we think about it.
So yeah, how's work?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
A long time I want a boy.
Go on, Shan.
Tori,
Hello.
what's up?
There. Just there take a walk with Alton through the lawn and thing.
Alton?
Yes. He ain't got no one part of this. So we're going.
I'm not want me to stay here. So I come breeze out a little bit for the sun there.
Okay, so I just there for run come around here, come find you because while ago, after me and him have this nice walk. Long time we don't really spend some quality time together, So I didn't walk the nice and everything, and then after we reach a one part, he stop and say, yo, you love how everything is going, but he kind of want a little bit more. What kind of more you really feel like, say, boy, I want? I can tell me, say, you know, they're interested in a little bondage. You know, like, to tie me up and they could do a little thing with me, constrained.
I never know say into them things there.
Me, after me not into them things there, me tell him say me not too like them things there still, but me tell him say me think about it, because...
Nobody think about nothing, nobody go down them road there with him.
But I'm a boyfriend and we are come from far, we have enough things we accomplished so far. Me see him as the one, me see him as possibly later down, but no, not right now, but me see him as that, so...
But if I'm going to push you into doing things where you don't want to do, why?
No, say him push me still, but maybe we can think about it. That's why I don't want to talk to you about it. What do you think?
Hey, what do you mean by tie you up on them things there? Them things they lower your self-esteem I come talk about. Tie up. Now make no boy tie you up here. That me I say, now make no boy tie you up.
Well, I have a friend from a long time still, from primary school days to be exact. So, you never steer me wrong, and when you put it like that, you say you want to tie me up after we have flourished.
Lower your self-esteem. Him alpha and you are not even omega.
Alright. I go take what you say still in consideration and I go talk to him about it. I tell him how I feel about it. So
tell him if you're going to make your next woman do that, because I'm sure you have a next woman. Watch. You don't have to put it to him saying, but I'm sure.
He never really showed me no sign of that still, Me not put it past no man, Don't get me wrong. But he never really showed me no sign of that still.
No, because he not show you a sign, them no mean say he not do it. Someone know if you hide them thing, someone well private and well secretive. You did know same did into all of this bondage and tie up shit. Well, first of all, where come from with them tie up shit here? Probably somebody else will show him that and they must say, oh, I'm come try this with Tori.
Still don't know. Where him learn them things from? Is it that he did always like this? But me and him there for so long.
And he never showed them things there before. As somebody this a come from, remember me tell you?
Me and him going to have a conversation.
Right way.
For sure. So, thanks again for your ever so awesome advice.
How you find me out here as a girl? Next time, maybe go change my hiding place then because you find me too easy.
Mas, me say,
bye.
Me say a little word, me call him.
Alright.
Hello?
Alton?
Who is this?
It's Shan.
Shan?
Tori friend Shan. I'm down by the golf course and me here say that's where you there too. You not leave it.
Who is this?
It's Shan.
Which Shan?
Tori.
I have about 6 Shan in this phone.
Tori friends Shan.
Tori friend?
Yeah.
How will you get my number?
Know yourself what how me get the number. Me here say the golf course. Me there on I'm back there, so come give me a link. Me have something where me feel like you need to see right now. Something we need the attention right now.
Continue the conversation. Something more like just come in, just don't feel like you're rubbing him down, rubbing his chest or something. Then make him take the conversation to you and say, yo, what? Once maybe we really have a talk. Because
You know, walk out.
Take it back to that.
But Candy look like the place lock up long time man and then stop using.
Yeah, man. A long time the place locked down. That's how we come and to use it. Forward.
So what you say you're going on now, Candy?
About the partner I come to talk to you about. That's why I carry him up here. So I like if you give me first draw.
First draw.
Because I have something to start out. I have more than one thing to start out. Some of mine you can help me. What can you do for me?
Yeah man, that's no problem. As a matter of fact, me a piece of food in a bus, you know. Me have to get it before we grow on, so you see me? No problem man. First draw, remember say me a friend, you know. Alright.
So differently though. You see I have new phone and things, like things that go on for you, me like it. Good. Wow. That face though. Pick up yourself, my friend. Who buy for you?
Between me and you, you know. I want a man them me I cannot buy for me, you know.
Alright. Okay.
So my next phone mash up and you just hurry up and buy it.
Between me and you, me and your friend. If you stop doing something there, you know, I cannot, man.
And I second down time yet. A matter of fact, let me tell you one story. Worry about them dirty man. Yeah. Me did there with a man, you see? Just meet him and things, everything will turn out good. The man did marry them. I mean, you know. One day me I go through his stuff them and me find one wedding paper. When he come from work, me ask him about it. He say no nothing. He always have baby mother out the road on his side. You know tell me. A people they walk me feel shame like a dog. All you said the man there with one woman up there and the woman three pitney them. Why you take me for? Me running my man. Running with me shame like a dog. Me can't every time I walk on the road me have to hold on my head. That's why me have to chop you now, Candy. Me no want no man use me.
Hold on there. So you really are going to use one man fat and fry every man?
Well, on the Candy. Let me tell you the full 100. You see, after me find out say me pregnant for him, that's why me did let go of country. And remember say me tell you say me pregnant. You see, after me find out say me pregnant for him, me say, he just coming like everything done right this song. Me tell him say me no want hear nothing, the relationship over and all in something. He man not have walk and trick me. Say me go do me this and do me that. But you see the good thing about it, every time he do it, me go report it up a station. Tell him if he come out of the house, man, pack up in something them put out there so make him go on. Because if him there with one woman and the 3 daughters, he don't want me. He not going out there so make him stay out there, man.
You know say true? And enough of them dirty man they out there.
I tell you.
Not everyone. Some of them, but a whole heap of them they out there. Girl, me have story to tell you too.
Tell me.
This is the reason why I single. Girl, and as you say one man you have to fall in a love, so we fall out quick. You're going quick, you come out quick. Me did take up one man. Him look so innocent. Look like a then church boy, you know, we're ready to go serve God.
Yeah.
I mean, we're ready to go give my life to God, you know. You understand? And when we take up the boy, you know, me have to call them kind of man, the boy, because good man now do them something. When me take him up, and me and him live, you know, mother take out everything when me have and give him. Him never have it them time they like to give me. So you know, say, if the man want one high cement on me, because you see through me and say I want to settle down.
Yeah.
But some man not understand settle down, then just see a road and say, you know, say I love you and Ray and they tell you how I do me want to stay with forever when they know deep down they're not ready to settle down.
You see? I saw them man you stay. That's why me I continue chopping, you know. Candy, they come in and tell we nice things because they know say that we want to hear. And then they have we
round and round like a circle. Me not stop, girl. Anything out there when me want and a man can buy give me and pay down for what me want. Me no business. Me no business when nobody wants say a chopping time. You can't settle down with them a man a candy. Them a no good man. Me no cut you. Continue. Tell me how the rest of it go.
Yes. As maybe I tell you about the little dirty man when I did there with before. Girl, me say, if you want ice cement, me give him. Anything at all you want, me give him as long as me have it. The sun in my eye.
Anyways, Candy, me not cut you, you know. But guess what? Me want to come from around so you know. Time to find me boundary. And as me tell you, me cannot stop chop. Me understand what me go through and you understand what you go through. We are human, so guess what? You good enough, Candy, but you see the heart here turn black. So I chop in non-stop. You can't settle down in a Candy. But you're a good girl, you know. Me I did good girl and me get burned. So I have to just continue this, you see me? Anyways, come on, I remember so me have the partner money figure. Watch out, Candy, watch out. One of them is a call me, you know. You see? Nah, stop chop. The next money when me have for you, I just me go call you. Hey babes, what's up? You miss me? You're a joker. You know, so me up on the road with my friend. So me if you come over your yard right now? Alright, no problem, me I come. Girl, what me say? Choppings.
Babe, you know me have something to talk to you about though. Like, me been a consider if I say it to you or what, but eventually we have to talk about it because it a go show.
It a go show? What you talk about?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? Right now, babes, we don't even know how that are going on. I can't make my wife know about this now. You're pregnant? Right now, star. I know, so what you plan to do about this? I can't make my wife know nothing about this now, babes. I know it's a tear up my brain, star. I don't even know what to do. I think about my wife, my family, right now. I know, star. Jaja. Wow. So, what you plan to do about this?
What you mean by what me I gonna do about this? Are the two of we in there? Are the two of we have to do something about it? Because you did already know say you're in a relationship before you come mingle with me. So the two of we are gonna figure out something to do.
One thing, you know. You have to just get rid of that.
What you mean by get rid of this?
I can't make my wife know nothing about this right now.
I'm not going to throw your child outside of my belly. So we have to go, like, we have money. We can just go somewhere. Just forget about everything behind you and come.
Listen to yourself. What make you so heartless? You really want me to abandon my family? Eh? Right now, I have a young baby on breast. Wait, listen to yourself. You're mad? Want me to abandon my family? Eh?
You did already know that she have a family. and you still come mingle with me. You not abandon your family, but you want me to abandon my family. Me not that shed up me. Me a keep you. And you see if you don't mind me a come up here yard and sit down by your veranda.
My veranda? My veranda? Mama, we know what to do with you here. You know what? Come out here. Let go from me. Let go from me.
Mama, we know what to do with me up there. Or me we know what to do with Mama up there.
This is not me, you know. This is not me. I can't leave my family. We do something reckless. And we have to work out that. I can't leave my family.
But I know like me come to you and did I tell you to leave your family in the beginning. Me just did I simply ask you what we are going to do about it. And it seems like you just want to lift the burden upon me, lift everything to me.
So, if you know that shit way, and me not live my family, so what we are going to do? We are going to do this in a secret same way?
This is not how me did plan for raising my picnic, you know. Honestly, me never want to raise a child like this, but we're already in it. So, we have to just continue until we can come up with something to do about it. But, this is not what we are going to do indefinitely, you know. But just give you some time to figure out what you are going to do. Because we have to come up with something to do about it.
Okay, fine. Fine. But don't come to me yard, you know. Remember, say this secret. I have to let you know, so me call you when I reach in.
Try make sure you call me, you know. Because if you don't call me, your wife when me a call.
You saw me I work with you? Don't bother with the foolishness, you know. Me call you when I reach up. How you get my wife number?
Don't worry yourself. Me have all our mother number too. Just make sure I say you call me when you reach up, you know.
So, yeah guys, that has been it. That's the short film. And as I said, like, comment, and share. So the interaction can go up, so I have more time to make full-length movies. But before we end this video, I'm going to talk to this actress, or I'm going to make she talk it. We'll talk to this nice, beautiful young lady over here. So.
Alright, please remember to go on Instagram and follow me at _prettyblackgirl.
So D as in
T-H-E.
T-H-E?
Yeah.
So T-H-E, pretty girl.
_prettyblackgirl.
Yeah, so she no waste no time. Go and follow her Instagram. So, how was that just now?
Was great.
Yeah, how you think, kiddo? I want to rate her, guys. I want to rate her out of 10. How good she do at the acting? So, can consider this video like an audition thingy, I guess, then?
Yeah, guys, so just tell me in the comments how well I did and let me know if you want to see more videos of me, please.
Yes, so, Reina come down so we can't get to do a full interview with her. But this is a beautiful young lady. I'm not just seeing the little short film thingy there. Remind us of your name again?
Natasha.
Natasha. Yeah. So, anything you want to say before we end the video, Natasha? So, thank you for tuning in. Tell them to subscribe.
Please continue to support, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And please tell me if you want to see more of it.
Them definitely want to see more of you. You not even see the video. So, yeah. Like, share, comment, subscribe. A little more, we got it.
It's not easy at all. If I really tell somebody this, they never believe me. No, sir.
Yo, my general, is there a piece of paper here? Yeah. I care over there, I'll get it done in there, isn't it? Yeah. Isn't it? Yeah. Alright. So, deal with it now?
Yeah, deal with it.
That's what I said, man. I done kill all things already. You need to force yourself. Relax, man.
Alright, don't do that. Anyways, I have a party. One more invite you. So it's on the 12th of August and it's a breakfast party. It starts at 7 a.m. until night. Yeah, come or you not come?
Yeah, man. When we come, we don't know, sir. We don't plan to stay too long, and we just come and just buy one drink and eat a food and cut. Party vibes and thing. Plus, man just get shut up a party the other day and something. So, I think about them things. You see me?
I'm no business about that. More if I come, I'm a party. I need a support. I'm no business about Andrew Oldness, and I need you to stay. A lot of parties keeping, and I need some money.
Alright, now yourself, man. Never fall. But if you charge me 80,000, order dollar.
I'm so far on them, man. You give me a call.
You ain't here.
I'm so far on them, man. No one I do on sir. Are you going to check anyway this one tonight?
Sure, but you know. Let me come, alright?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So, Papa, you see I go on now?
You know, since I go in my book. And kind of get a look at one piece, you know. I just feel emotional, love it, but
Yo, Papa.
shocking.
Look how you finish telling me that story. You know, take that call, see? So just go and hold him, man, Zane.
Little girl, come here. Can I do something for me? Can I do something for me, please? You know the brown girl you bring this up? Bully shot, the little brown shot girl, you know her?
Yeah.
Alright, now you give her this for me, here. Give her this for me, here. Thanks.
Little girl. Come and see paper. I will give it.
Your mom up there, so give me.
I brown girl over there, so bully the shop. Has she ain't give you a figure?
Yeah.
Alright. They'll keep you can go on. Are you going to send the little girl and send me that piece of paper?
Yeah, I make her. I make her figure somebody down this up. But how you come by?
Don't worry about that. You know, say girl don't want you. You know how long me see ya right, liquor send go right here. I mean never see girl make an attempt to come contact you or anything. You know, say girl don't want you.
Kira, you left all the way from down there so. Come up here so. Why can't you allow my business alone? Eh? Give me paper, give me paper. Give me paper.
It.
I'm going with you.
As a matter of fact, it's only two people them down there so they keep the party, the man and the woman. And the same browning where you fish off. You know, so the man will keep the party and him have the browning. And the man having woman in and the browning, no. By the way, if you don't believe me, you can't come. Stop look people who don't want you and look who want you.
Yo, Popeye, come here. Give me 2 grand, brother.
You can't believe it's really the 2 grand. You really are lay wait me for. I said we come down.
Mission to go deal with it about now.
No good for borrow. Not really good for borrow. See there.
I look one of this up. Uncle Papa and me them say look pan. Him and man in an argument over 2,000. You know? That's why your grandma can't agree and mind people business too much.
Stop it nice. No bother with grandma thing. You know the girl when you're bully, Sha?
Yeah, you brown girl will live right on this up.
Yeah. And I decided they quarrel. And I know 2,000 they quarrel over. Papa and the brown girl not think that the man want the brown girl. Them a come.
Everything good, man. No good for borrow.
Must girl. Girl, big bad party I keep us suave. Yes, I keep the party friend. Girl, me say, I reach here Everly big bad yellow party. Breakfast party at that. But the thing now, I want to change for you for borrow because I want to go support her, but I don't have a cash already there, so I don't know if you can help me with that little change.
Don't worry yourself about the money. They can give you money. I'm me a Richie side chick.
What you say?
Yes, girl. I Richie buy this a bus you give me. I go pick you up and we go to a party.
Alright, my friend.
You don't know what go on, man. Don't worry about the money. I go come pick you up and we go to a party. I have a whole heap of things to tell you. A lot of things we have to talk about.
Talk to me nice.
Bet something, you know.
Say you can't play draft now.
I like when you know some you can't play. I bet your girl now.
So yeah, so too. Can't bet for your girl too, you know.
So yeah, give me first move, see table line out there now. I have flip a kind.
Go flip a kind then now. Man, sure. You take first player, man.
Alright. Check me now, I regret that.
See your girl, we have big plans to do.
Yeah, I lose, man. Looks like a little girl pretty, you know, daddy.
Man, play a game if you play a game, you know, man.
See, you're confused. You're not if this is how you play. You play, man. I'm not thief, man. You give that man a fever. Look like you don't like your girl a little bit. Alright, you play again. Swear.
Game too early, man.
Yeah, you talk about me don't know if you play a game, and you don't know if you play a game. Watch out.
What go on here, sir?
What go on? Come here. You hear me more and pop off, you know. You know, a long time I want to chop off this man, you see me? See how it's a break me again, you see?
Big match this thing up. Think kind of play a thing.
Betting there, no, general. I will not change the betting. The girl where I play for.
Like somebody are gonna lose them girl today, but it's not me.
You are going now. I don't flip no kind, you know, because me that win look wild. So I take the first play. first. Brain I use my own. The brain I use. That dead one that. So when you're in a deep position, you take a deeper chance. I use the brain. I say I chop that. So I left you another hole if you a while. I say I chop that. It's a big oof you get. Big oof you get. So you don't know the game. Watch your whole of your belly report now. Better player. I rock with that whole of your neck belly tear out the whole brother. In the network. You can't believe that me do. Me never see.
So powerful me being of them things, brother. Whole of 6 or 5 take me take the whole. When him go so, bam. Him go so bam. Ramping me your corner alone left in a bad man. With about 2 little soldier now.
Me never see.
Better push up yo, better take your job, brother. Play, like you want me to say, oof, your taste, brother.
Oh, sorry. Remember say you get oof first.
No, I'm gonna ride them game, brother. That's why I'm gonna play, brother. Because you know say you're gonna lose your flesh.
You know, so I feel like, for all of them, I feel like, say, who are the people that mad out?
Rory, and I think we know that long time. You think we just have to see that?
You know, the funniest thing too, true, we are picnic, like, they not go think, say, we are see what go on.
Rory, I not to watch them, you know. Because they not set no example, like how we have to take care of them.
I think a joke thing, it look like, say, we have to take care of them, it's true. Because of the day, I see what man on the internet that goes so big bad order for the Prime Minister.
Now, me assure you, man, thief to one mad people, them, yeah. From me remember myself, my people, them tell me, say, man, I bring you to the world. And me as a little pitney know that, and that the big man, they don't know that. A little pitney have to go run the world, you know.
And yeah, I thought that we just make a serious talk, you know. But what do you think you could have do to help make things better? What do you think you could have do to help them mad people?
Boy, I think about it rough. I think I have to go to school and learn a book now.
No, so I will go down back in the yard before me come.
Alright then, come on.
Rory, mommy say not to left out the yard.
I'm not gonna know when my friend them a go for wardrobe.
Mommy say if you not left out the yard, me say come back now.
Oh.
Who is calling?
Money man, the man from come win off him money man.
What that for? Alright.
Alright, come in man. I want to lose our fellow could change.
Might you lose back your money to the attack.
Papa, you have a ball field.
So you do everything now yard already?
Yeah man, I see Papa yard and everything already.
Make sure you know. I like the gate to the yard. But Wallace, you said no, you call him. I'm done to call you.
Rory! Rory! Rory!
Yo, me I go over ball girl and I come.
You know, so me can't come home, so I have to come out of the yard.
Man, you can't do that, brother. Call me I go play some football up that's how we are going.
Man, you can't come now. You will get beaten if I come.
Yo, go and left me. I go check sitting around this so I come back here. Alright, I got a bar ground and make sure you come in because you tell me say you come, I go pick up on my team. So come a bar ground.
So done man, how you alone sit down right here so I want to draft you?
Short, you know, say no me one do. And I rest one day I can go things sing down and back down with a file. But I know say a ball in gone ball over money.
So you really take away the whole of the man money?
When you all the money and gone ball over it.
Noted. So come at me and play a game now?
I mean one anytime I ready.
I drop me and make me don't even know if to play the game, you have to go show me.
Well, that not like no problem, you know. Like you're a fast player now.
So what going differently?
As usual, they are going easy in a hurt and I'm want one new man in my life.
You? You don't want nobody. Only thing you want to do is mess with people, girl, pick me. If you get someone away from high school, come fix up the table. Come.
Mama, baby, no, baby,
Oh no! I hope I not road there playing figure, you know. Because mommy say no feel left yard. Come, call Guani, you know.
no.
You know, so I feel like you want to make me win the game then. But that show me have to go away now.
Yo, you're good man. Next time we're here.
Alright, bless up yourself.
Alright.
Jano, not even did realize the rain fall. Sure, me go in there one of my long time school friend didn't make me never mash up the mission, you know. Sure.
What's that to me? Me no business about that. A serious mission this, you know. Rasta man need for dead. Alright, me tell you something if you don't know what I go on. I know if you know the brother when name Fire Us. But me usually drive for him, you see me? And enough styling go on. But I know say him have some whole heap of dogs. You get what I say? And that the man there one of them. Him one of the top dog them. Me need that the man if it get take out of the picture first. Me tell you say if you just put hey. Ah boy, how am I gonna deal with this now? Give me a strap.
Jano, the thing did sensitive, you know, man. And that the man they know everything about me. Just make me hold on on his strap for a little bit, man. Just make me go and hold on on his strap. Because I couldn't deal with the mission. I have to just go and hold on. Because as me tell you, say, the man they know everything about me. Because me and him used to go to school and the man know my last name, the man even know me live. Yeah.
Alright. Here I go. I make you hold on for this truck. I need to understand that this matter is sensitive just the same. And you could have bust out head same, you know, bust out the two of them head same.
So you expect some supposed to bust out somebody head when me and them go to school? Jano, couldn't do it.
You know what?
Couldn't do it.
Sorry, probably me too eager. Probably me too excited to do this. And then again you have a youth. Hold on. Just get the idea, you know. You know what you can do? You can kidnap a youth, you know. You can get the youth and then lure him in instead of a probably buck up and see him nonsense like this again. Alright, here we go. Drive the car, ready.
Yeah, you know, so today when I forward on the block, it's a thing I come for deal with.
So, Miss Meredith.
But you save him. Yeah, so here what? More you tell him to protect you, you see me, because I can run in that anytime.
Hold on. Tuta, come here. Jano. Hey.
But that's true because I see you. Yeah, because I didn't want this year, but you see boy Fire Us. Somebody set me up on a link for deal with a crime with him, you know. Yeah.
Right now, I have to make fire know this side. I have to tell fire this side. No joke. You see me? Right now, joke, I have to protect the sun head now. Protect the sun head, you understand?
Yo, me I call you. Just come make fire know what going on.
Alright.
Yo, Johnny, Ranjay. Me no business push by you there now, you know. Just forward in our yard. No, you know.
Again, you can't come to me right now. Like, right now, please. Me I go dip on the radio, you see me walk. Alright. God know me, I don't want me get myself, you know. Boy afraid I try to kill me.
I don't understand. Want to kill you? What happened? What happened?
I don't know how to explain this to you. And the worst thing, I can't even call station about it because I'm a police.
Tell me what really happened, Mom. You want to kill you or you want to kill you like we don't have one like a relationship fight thingy?
I'm telling you, I care about it, you know, because I don't really want the whole thing. I don't know what I go do. I don't know what I go do. I can't go back this tonight. I can't go back there because I'm not even the first time I do something like this.
Yeah, so one whole heap of things and all know. I mean, I understand so probably whatever happened, you traumatized her, but all know me not. What really happened?
What happened is that the man want to kill me. The man run me down with machete. The man fling stone off of me.
Where you plan for though?
I don't know which part I go and I like say me have no room I can go. And I like say me even have no clothes and I can say alright then I go somewhere. I don't have nowhere at all to go.
Still not tell me what happened make all of this I go on. All I say I run down with steel, I fling this off, but why? I'll do some of them mad sometimes. But what happened? What happened? Where again?
Alright, so let me explain everything to you. I get up this morning and I did have some stuff to deal with. did have some errands to run on the road, and me did even have some stuff to deal with the film too. So I say, alright, me I go rush out from early. I not even get the chance to prepare nothing to eat for breakfast. Me just get up early and just rush out to deal with what me have to deal with. Me dey on the road whole day and me not get the chance to eat nothing. So till me all feel bad. So I say, alright then we just go home, and maybe when me go home I can prepare something to eat. So I just jump in one taxi same time.
When I have full night out still.
Me, when I reach home and come out of the taxi, my mind say, don't walk through front. So I say, alright then, I go walk through back door. I go around and I open the back door. When I open the back door, the first thing greet me, I want bag on the counter.
Now what kind of bag you come in, come see, sir?
Just hold on, now make me finish talk. Just make me finish. So, I decided to go investigate, and I go there and open the bag, and when I open the bag I see some stuff like some fruits and yogurt and what else in there? I think some Pringles, and I see one slice of cheesecake. So, you know, I'm gonna say, alright then, I just go eat the cheesecake. So, I eat the cheesecake, and you know, I drop asleep in the same place. Somebody there asleep, I just hear boom boom boom, and the man a lick down the place. Lord Jesus Christ, I'm frightened about that. I sleep, so I say, oh yeah, lick down the place so far, him start say, why cheesecake we did in the box. So I go say, me eat it. I would tell me if you go see so. One thump in me eye, man, give me.
For one, serious? 50 cheesecake? What?
I have to go over the gully down on the veranda till the morning, you know, because he gully lock me out there now.
Yeah, I go on the veranda.
I must round this aside and Mama said the boy. Yo, Oscar. Come here.
What I say, Wagwan General.
Oscar.
Yeah.
Why I really have to talk to you again, you know? Right now, me and your granny I said they want to fire you from your workplace. I want to go on up there. What go on with you?
Yo, Jack. Sometimes I not like tell Mama certain things, you know, because Mama love blow things out of proportion, you know. You understand? But, so I get fire, but I not get no fire, you know. You see it? I said, big that I go on up at hotel. I don't really want to talk it. That's why you see me a little low.
So, what could I not go on up there, sir?
I'm going to show you pray, go on up at hotel there. See? Yo, you see a little catty, when I walk around with a little broad, short catty.
Yeah, man. That little catty the way. Now you're a catty where you're not coming on the other day.
Yeah, Ja. Same short girl. You know, so the other day, I'm going to show me a prayer. What happened to him up at hotel, I tell me, say, boss, hold him down, brother.
Bumbo clot. And that go on up there. And your granny come tell me, say, you want to get fire. You see them boss boy. And them something they really go on with up there.
That's it. And I don't know what to tell she if you do. If you tell him to go to station.
Alright, you know. Because you see them things cost life, you know. Cost life. You see me? Because you know, it's up at the hotel there. A whole heap of liquor carry go bring come.
Ja, I don't plan to keep a secret of ever, you know.
Your granny things are fire you out forget, you know. Granny things are fire you out forget. So, here what go on. You just have to lay low. You see me? Because you what? I think I think the thief up there. Because just that me kind of that hear about, but this serious. So you just go and lay low.
You understand? But me go and figure out how to do the same way. You understand? But anyway, I will go to my yard, I will do it. I will link up soon, you hear me?
I will catch up with the eye and talk again. Me have one little thing up a yard for deal with, so we catch up with come on. You hear that?
So you do down here, so look how long me I look for you. We are the right test and me I look for you how long, eh? What you do down here, so what me take me get down here, so?
Sis, me I go through some whole heap of things right now. You would understand some whole heap of things me I go through.
Anyways, if your phone on the yard and your workplace I call you and I get you, and remember, you see any you lose the work, I don't know what you are going to do for take care of yourself. I don't know what you are going to do for get a job.
Danica, him rape me.
What? What you talk about?
See Mr. Johnson, the man up on my workplace, from my day, I realize say I be a night shift for my give me and night time I'm going in my office, him ever job things for my bend over and take it up. And most time I take up the things in him job, I catch him a look for me. Till one night, but day I'm end up in my office.
Hello.
General, what? Boy, I try to get to you from this morning. I call your phone and many times I call your phone.
They up on the work, my boy. You know where you go.
Yeah, man, me that try to get to the eye, man, because you want me, I know. Me have a little thing when I want you really scoop round for me. Yeah. Remember that little bridge in there one day, me I tell you, say, work up at the hotel, man. For me little hygiene youth, you don't know because the youth, them always come to me when they have certain little problem and me all just reason with them.
You know where you go, you have to do it.
Alright, I'm going to show you what's going on now. You see me? It's a serious thing towards what him said to me, you know, but here what? Yeah, my brethren, and I really like some more you go lock up nobody, but more you give you the best advice for you think would have know if you deal with this thing. You know, say, you must show me a vibe, say, the boss up at the hotel, hold on him, woman.
Rape? What you say to me? So you no report it?
No, man, we never really want to make no report yet. You see me, that's how I call you. We kind of find out what we can do for kind of, you see me, if we take her money, if she can take her money off for him or cool that down her.
No, man, that man, if you go and go report it, man. What you say, man? We know if you go report it. He told them, go report it. And that the man they up at that hotel, you know if you know because that man is heavy, you know. Yeah, man, that man is heavy, man, so you know if you know the same way. Yeah, man, make them go report it.
Alright, my general. Yeah, man. Give thanks for answer the call, man. We link, man. No worry yourself, man. Yes, my general. Yes, my general. Alright. Me give you a call the next few days time from now. John, what is this, man? What is?
I'm going to bend over and take it up. And I him that I see what I'm from behind. And me I say, Mr. Johnson, what you do? And he might force up himself for me. I might try to get away from him. And he will on me. And then he will start tear off my clothes. Alright, me.
So we tell? You go to the police, I tell the police?
Well, I tell my boyfriend and I tell him to hold it down because nobody not going to believe. Because they going to want to say Mr. Johnson have him wife and this and that. And I'm confused, girl. So I'm not really go to the police then yet. Or send it to nobody more than my boyfriend.
Come on, because this now go so.
That your body now give me a nice buzz now. You know my weed. You can't give me face more. Like that.
I'm not getting no more weed, bad man. I just give a biz bag.
and you not pay for the weed them. Last week me give you weed. Yesterday me give you weed. This morning up in 1 o'clock me give you weed, and just a while ago me give you weed. Brother, you're too greedy, brother. I'm paying for the man weed. Nah laughing about man. Acha.
And keep it changed to you know.
Oi! What is? You still owe me. What is?
So how much more you? How much more you then? How much more you?
See, I write it down and it say you Cougar. You owe 12 grand and you give me 5, so that's 7 grand that. You know what? See boss here. Me gonna need it.
What go on where?
There in a car park. Oh, I have everything in it. Guess what? Kinda short, you see. But watch out now. Can tell you what one, you see, it one youth, you see man. Me I tell you, say, be a foolish, you see man going and go round.
Yeah, how much you have now? You hear me now, Ria?
Yeah.
You hear me now, Ria? You say if I never Ricky or your father, you must deal with it like one of them regret the outer road, you know. But here, you're one good girl, you know. So I know you're going to put your thing together still, because here one now. At first, I really come up short still, you know. I walk on that red board there when I see you sit down with, you know. Just walk on that red board there, you know. Because them board there, some boy love sit down and smoke weed, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? They love to sit down and smoke weed, but anyway, you're a place and I run it still, you know. Because you don't know, say, you know, and every one of them will really come up with their money same time still. So I'm not going to really pressure as when I say, first, you're really short. You see me? You're really short. So, as when I tell you, say, your father is a good man, you know. And he was good to we went out young too, so I'm not going to really make you feel the end of the bargain, you see me? But here, put your thing together, everything now, man, you see me? Mess up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah.
Oh, Rhea! Watch out, man. I met this a trip here, you know. So just, you know if you deal with it, and you just put the rest upon that, and you know, so it come down, you see me? Yeah, man, let's go and run the place, man. Right now, I have to call the boss and deal with the boss, because you don't know, you see me? You big up yourself here, man. You short, you hear that? 1 thing.
Mama, forward now. You till you get back your money. Forward, man. You move like you don't want to forward, so.
Listen to me. I only deal with customers what pay me. Customers but take out them money set time when me take out the weed set time. You need to come off my sidewalk. You know see what I get brusky now. You want it? Get up, man.
You
and find something to do.
Say, me go look something to do with my life. Me are your customer. You may buy weed from. Where you want the weed for your life?
I don't want you to feel like a style, me a style you. Like a people things me I deal with, and me have to get out of it for food and for my education and for myself. Now, like you, with the and people things, and me have to use it for food. Me have to take out time for myself, for food, education, and myself. And I like you with the past. And I like you when I work and do nothing. You need to get up and push yourself and try to something. Sit down on sidewalk is just a hobby. It's not a career, sir. Selling weed is a career either, but it's something I do.
You can't tell me how to live my life. My life not affect you or nobody. You can't tell me how to live my life. I want to smoke weed. Sit down and all the vibes every day.
You know what?
Here, I'll get the money. Just give me away.
You alright where you there. Just let me get my money so we can get the people them. We can get my part.
Wagwan Peter. Yeah man. Watch out now. I think they go short you know. Yeah man, cause watch out now. The little catty there me have a hold it down. On the south block, yeah. Rhea. Yeah man, she come up short man. Anyway, at first she ever come up to short still you know. She good man, a good girl man. We not have to bump her off or nothing general. She good, me I tell you, she good man. You when me I say no Peter man, she good. When me I tell you, she good, she good. A long time she a run this to me, you know man.
Right, Miss Cross. Because I failed to pay 2 deadlines that have now passed, your student loan has now increased by 500,000 and you need to pay now.
I don't have that, you know. I don't have it.
Right, ma'am, but you do owe a loan and you need to...
Yes, I understand that. I understand that. So, yeah, I owe, yes, but that no means if we just raise it up, Hello?
Listen me, I never that me call on you so still you know. The people them show done too quick, so I don't need to explain on myself. And them,
Listen, don't take it up with the car.
Good evening, people. You know, it's Donovan.
Yeah. Yeah.
So is this actress is the problem why you don't get a longer film on the...
Yes, my boss. I true.
The director.
She's shy, but listen, nothing going wrong with the director.
Okay, my general. Alright, my general.
Director is doing...
Serve.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Can I get 1 bottle of water, please? I'm thirsty.
Tough.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, what happened? Now what happened? Now what happened me? I'm just see a while ago na kissing the guy now. Lie? Which lie? Me just see you kissing the guy a while ago. Me give you a chance. And I still can't do it again. Yo. Can't believe girls, you really go do that again after me really give you a chance and you tell me say nah do it again. I'm really put my trust in you, you still go do it. I don't want to do things and sorry after. So you know what you do for me? Just come off of my phone. Can't believe some it's really happened to me again, Jaja. Father God, why me so bad looking, so? Why? Why me? Why me can't just find a proper woman in my life though? Cha.
Babes. What happened? Where come on people phone from? What do you mean by that? Hold on there. May I take a seat? Hold on.
In my life, why I be a crosses me I pick up. Yo.
I don't understand them something here, you know.
What you talk about? Me no know what you talk about. Me clueless. Alright, don't hear me I come right now, because I don't understand them something here what you say to me. Junior! Can I make sure I call him? Because I'm cannot answer. Junior! Junior! I will Tony call my phone for all night here. When I call my phone for? Hello. What you want, Tony? I'm not deal with it no way. I'm just answer what you want. I'm in a good mood today. I'm not plan to let my yard today, no. Awa. What you really say to me? Alright. I soon come then. Give me 15 minutes. It's not a problem. Tony!
Come on, Tyson now.
You want to say what Jonah him just call me and tell me about how him brother call him and tell him say me a cheat on him.
What you said to me?
Yes sir, so when you call me and tell me say you catch your woman as a co-man too. Me I feel say then I could have really go an idea. I could have really cast them missing thing.
Hold on there. Because he rain come down, I'm lock up the window. I like it rain fire. Okay, but even good on the phone now. I tell you, if I did me in a few shows, probably say I disrespect you. See me right now, I'm not going to mash up the girl.
Funny. Don't know about that with that right now. I understand what you're saying. Tell me what really go on. What you say I'm with you on her?
Kim, that's my 3-year anniversary. My girlfriend said I never carried it. So, I go book a hotel room. I never have no money in my pocket to take no taxi come home. So on the way walking come home, you know say do me see girl I bust out one nigga tongue.
What you say to me?
She never bust out my tongue yet, so yet you know, never you know.
Then you don't know what say. As you are telling me this a story, I see him thing with me today with my man. Jonah really call me today and let him say, oh him brother, tell him say him see me down a hotel with man. Poor me, you know, poor me. I don't know what Junior brother could have seen me with man. And he call me and tell me all sort of foolishness. What are you? I say me a go down a boy yard and me a beat down your grill and me a call and in a house and him not answer me. Me call Junior phone, Junior not answer. Me text me not answer. Me holler down me throat all him not answer. I don't know what to do next. You think I look struggle me and Junior struggle over the years? You think I look fight me and him fight? I don't go hungry with beer together, you know? You want me to tell me say?
Hush man.
Really
stop it crying man, you're not crying man. Things are better man. Stop it crying man, everything got alright with them man. Stop it crying.
No, I should have not do this to me.
I just saw life set man. Just stop crying for me now please now. Please now, stop crying now. Stop crying man. Wipe out your face yeah. Stop crying push.
Make sure you keep out between me and your secret, you know. Come in on, nobody know.
That good man can't keep that secret. But my wish you never have to go so early.
Yeah, go down go cook some food here. We call you later. Alright. Hello? Junior? What? Prank. What do you mean a prank you did a prank me?
Wake up. Wake up. The get up, me need to spread up the bed. Because I play stay. You not to get up and, you know say something me gonna do. You lie down and sleep. Big and lazy for you go and go look up. Get up, man. You're too big and lazy. Get up, man. I want to spread up the bed. Get up now. Done. I want to spread up the bed. Sun hot, you lay down in here in a bed. I can't take them and sit here no more, you know. Get up. Excuse.
What time now? What time now?
I mean, the ask time because you're bigger, you don't know time. Sorry.
What my boot there?
How which shoes that you're asking about? I mean, help take care of your foot.
Alright, it's my boot there, man. Cause you see, you love to take big song go on like say, it's an invitation to a conversation. You like how you deal with things, man. You go early in the morning and you just come in and things. I'm tired, you know, man. Tired, man. Man, just, yo, I hear me. Just do what you do, answer.
How you do something tired?
Don't worry about that. I tell you, just miserable some man. Yo, just look at your brown skin and it's something good you go and say, you know. That I think, you know. Why rough, I don't know. You're so busy somebody. Yo, I hear me. Just give me some time, yeah, sir. I wake up myself properly because early in the morning I have nothing to deal with. Oh boy. So what you say, food? You start out food? You start out food already?
Where food there? You put food on the table, you ask for food?
You mean? 5 bills over there, sir. 5 bills can start out little tin mackerel. We have little pepper out the door. Yeah? 5 bills can start out 1 pound of flour and 1 tin mackerel. Have a good national dish. Tin mackerel. Saltfish. I don't know what's going on with it. Something wrong, but yeah, you're rough.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. You know say that you take me for? Tin mackerel. And you they come. Where you think about pepper? Pepper every day. Me no want you nothing about no pepper and no tin mackerel. No more day time as long as nearly. Me tell you that you go feed me all the days of my life and tin mackerel.
Well, rough sometimes, some people I'm grateful, listen, man. And people in Africa right now, they be grateful for your tin mackerel right now. Right now, tin mackerel me feel for. What you feel for?
Don't question me. You chat too much.
Chat can't too much. You never know about that.
You're lucky.
Mouth make you talk. I walk call you so early.
I'm a friend.
Yo, mama, I know say a man probably did it, but just go on like a one girl I call you.
What going goodie? What?
You see you, I say you going on, and be things you go on, you know. What you say now? We can't come check you later.
The phone did this. Yeah. Alright, call me back, yeah man. I'm going to check you.
Just let me know when the man is gone, man.
Yeah, remember say we all go somewhere. I lie. I lie. God know. Hey? We can't wait to get it. Alright then. Alright.
What is best friend? Eh? I want to know who that best friend is.
You're going like you don't know my friend named Angelina.
Angelina?
I'm my friend Angelina. You know her. And she always see me with. Yeah.
I never hear talk about no Lena. No Angelina.
And the
Tangelina?
same girl you always see me with.
Girl?
Mm-hmm.
That you say? Oh, I see that best friend right now.
Angelina, you're going like you don't know her. Look how much you see her. You just don't know her name. But a she name Angelina. Matter of fact, me a question about your friend them.
Oh, I see that best friend. It's alright, know yourself. But they're dark, must come a light. Angelina, you have to crosses to wake me up so early for man. Go on, piss and that's about it. Let's go piss here, sir.
Babes, I want to you.
What do you mean want to? You drop your head, but come out and come see. Or come check me.
I lucky things
Busy with your best friend, not true?
I lucky things that me did wake up you. If you're glad to wake you up, I lucky thing me wake you up because maybe you're that pissy then.
It's a cross history, right? And nobody send a cash back. Cross is this.
You see you? When you done you say me not care about you. But you know what me too concerned. Me hear like you drop outside like a while. Me no know what happened to you. But it sound like you fall down. Come here something lick up out there. Me can't ask you why you go on like you want to insult me. Everything good man. Big up yourself.
Oh, yeah, sure, man. Best friend?
Yo, mama.
What I don't want, girl, is...
No, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No. Hello.
That one, hey. I go, hey, how this? Angelina? Alright, boss. Alright. So let's see how going on now. Ready, you know?
Ready, you know, BS, but me not have no money, you know. Me can't owe you till next week. You know, trust?
What? You know the money? Broke girl broke my vibes, you know. You know what I mean? Yo, enough things, enough expenses going on this side, you know. It's the body I have to go to gym every weekend and go work out and keep up. You know what I mean? I have to drink up my roots and my tonic. I think that engine easy for run. Yeah, come talk about the money if me not just till next week. But you are going away. You better check yourself, you know, sir.
Me have to put about this in the taxi here. This can't work.
What? 5 bills, 5 minutes? Something wrong with you, you know. Take it on my face. Something wrong with you. Something not going on with you. You really come here, sir, and you know say you want your sort out. Saying, and you really come with 5 bills.
Come no man, 5 minutes or $500. Alright, let me feed him.
Step away, man. Back up, man. We are going away. You can't go a business, you know.
5 minutes, $500.
$500, no, that can't work out. 5 bills? You really left here with 5 bills?
Alright, then make me feel it for $500.
You think I bend down this? You think I feel it? If you don't have your money, you can't speak. Don't tell the broke girl broke my vibes. You know what I mean? So guess what you have to do? You don't have no money, you don't talk. So better you step away, sir. Come on, depend where you depend. A joke business, you depend. You really left it. Look at night, full moon. If the moon not even full, look up in the sky. And you left your yard with no money. And you want? No, sir. Check yourself, man. Check yourself. I bet some face some scam you have. You have money for you. I bet you have money.
Stop going, son of man. All the while I'm coming without money and in 1 week time I no money. You know what give me? Stop going, son man.
JPS now say wait, you know. When you go down a utility place to go pay your bill, them tell you say, alright, you can't owe till next week. That work as mama. So you go and take your 5 bills and take your time go here. Me not the pan with the pan. Business me a deal with, so you can't go and cool out.
Stop going, son of man. A far me I come from, you're gonna make me come so far for nothing at all. Just give me something, man. Just one little bit, please. I will want this out there.
So when you ride me for free,
Me I'll give you
who
some
will
money
get the
when you
benefit?
come back. Just take your 5 and I'll give you some money when you come back.
Me can't hold my sachin?
Hey boy, don't make me hold it and I'll take it, you know.
Wait, easy. You can't hold my sachin? You can't hold my sachin? When you go in a sachin shop and him say, "Wow, hing, hon. What him say to you? Hey, I go. No sense. So you hold it and cool out. I don't understand the point of 5 bills thing and I go one like you want to feed. For free. Hey, step away from the vehicle. No money, no love. As I say, broke girl broke my vibe. You know how expensive it is to keep this? Do me here and all these things? You go to gym and all these things. Take us 5 bills.
Business. Well, go and baby, me have 10 grand, you know.
10 grand? Alright,
You can go on.
You hold the 5 bills. Come in and try. There's something wrong with you, bro.
Hold on there. Oh, you come so quick for my 10 grand.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you come too quick for my 10 grand, and I feel like I want half of my money back. That was too quick.
Let me tell you, business is business, you know.
Me not get my money's worth.
You don't get your money's worth? Well, you have to just work with that, you know. Because I saw your system work, you know.
First thing first, you know, I have to get back my money, you know. Because number one, you're sitting too little. You come too quick. And you not do it right. Me not ask you just depend. You stop like you're an idiot for a long time and not get no.
Wait, what you say a while ago? You ever see one truck jump in an ocean? You ever see truck jump in an ocean? I'm gonna tell you something. Business is business, you know. If you come on the road and me I help you out, if sort you out, and me I fear go through all manner of evil, because I don't understand. You think money is all? You know what I mean? You give me 10 grand, you try to give me 100 grand. Your 10 grand done, your money done. You know what I mean? You should have come.
My money done. I say you cock little, you can tell me about truck and swim in the ocean. And you hood small, you hood little. You little talawa. But my something big. If I never one thing, I just tell you something bad in the night. But you see, through a 10 grand, I just make it go on, because your cock small and I walk and tell everybody. Remember me know you, know? Me I go tell all like
Thanks, your dream. What kind of life that? No, sir. Come like a murder. If I call my virgin right now, I see what kind of number that in the cash pad. Crosses. Yeah! No, sir. No, sir. Hello? Hey, what go on, brother? Everything good? Brother, if I tell you what kind of dream. I say I have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, a dream. In a cash pot.
One take care. You know, bad girl in you, that's at 21 in you.
But, man prostitute. Yeah. I say I have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, a dream.
wake up Fridays and chef, so I say I must want cash pot this.
Yeah, man. Alright. Bless up. Humble rice. What if I want to real sitting?
So man, everything you make bad eye. You couldn't go on out, man. One little time you see him with me make be a problem. Yo, brother, walk on.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, be a problem, my youth.
Yeah?
The woman down there be a cousin and go on the most way. And she, you know, say me nice with her. We just come out there so say me come take some cool piece. You want to hear she a go on, my youth?
Eh, and that I go on. So I could have make sure miss up herself, so. Eh? She mad?
No, you know, brother. True, Cecilia come back for me, she a go on the most. You don't know, say me a done, brother. We just ease himself sometime, man. When we come in, we just relax.
Right.
Differently, though. We just see man like you, so you do on the road.
Yo, you know what say? I look a thing going on, I win a piece of money, youth. And if you tell her, brother, yo, I want you look a thing, cause I really, youth. And when I'm down, you did the same, yo. So just help yourself, you know? Yeah, man.
Mothers I respect you, man. Tell her.
Right,
What else can I do for me?
So,
but differently, how I go on?
As me I say, brother, I win a piece of money, you know, youth. You understand? Licky cash back, man. Wicked. Mr. China for your ball. But watch you know. Tell a story. You know, Kemar. Look at here, boy, around there, so. Man, call me, yo, and I tell me a story about James. A woman, I hold him down, all of them thing there.
Yo, them boy, they are idiot, man.
Yeah.
Boy, girl, I hold him down. I be man, right there, them boy, the girl. So make him go on. And let him tell. I follow him.
Alright. So me just go so bad, man. Rakes up. Me give me rakes too, you know. But me don't know what go on for him. But rakes up the same way. I say, alright. Fool people lucky, you know. So me just go buy nobody, man. See it, you can't have money if it's spent. Wait, then. How are you, youth? What?
Well, guess what, no? Yeah, they catch a rake.
Just that.
I'm glad.
Yeah. But watch you pray now. You know, so me not too tired because I have some things to match up. You understand? So, I just a piece of food when they come here.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah, man. I make a move same way, man. Because I have a little thing to deal with. I make the food. I deal with it. See me, I say? So, I make it move. Alright.
Search for this idiot boy again. I can't bother anyone. I call the boy and I get him. You know, so I call dollars. Call dollars.
Brittany.
Dollars. Might have come look for you.
Yeah? So you man there?
Could eat that boy gone about him business. Yeah, might have come up here come look for me.
Alright, say no more. I'm going to the store and get a boots and flour.
Alright.
Chop. How you with this man?
Yeah, man. Get it, man.
I'm there, no man, you know, sir. He's supposed to look there. I walk up and down like this. I don't know where they keep it. Now check it.
Keep your money. Keep your money, man.
Yeah.
Keep your money. Keep your money.
It was on the brand new pack, man.
Brand new pack. I mean, you never let me sit here.
Alright, say no more, yeah?
Yeah, one.
Go on.
There.
Chaplada, take care of you, man. Eh?
When I'm going good.
You not going good. When they?
No, no, ain't gone.
So I'm going fast. Fast. So,
Hey. Hello? Somebody will call me phone and break up. Hello?
Angela, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Go ahead and talk now.
Yes, Angela. Neither from the officer's business. But I'm looking here on your profile and I see you have some outstanding balance for us.
How much balance leave, sir?
I'm looking here on the loan and I see you have an outstanding balance of 150,000.
You sure say that correct? Because me come the last time me pay about 75,000. Me have me receipt.
But you are late. You have a couple weeks late.
So to become late, so no put interest on it.
Interest is going up by the day. We have a 5,000 day-to-day interest policy.
Okay, sir, I will come in next week Tuesday.
Are you sure you'll be coming next week Tuesday? Because if this stay until Wednesday, because you have the loan officer who will be going out, the debt collector will be going out to collect the debts, and if you can, it would be recommended that you pay at least 45,000 right now, and then by Wednesday you can pay the rest.
Okay, sir.
All right, Miss Angela.
Yes, sir.
All right, have a wonderful evening.
You too. Me can't take the thief in loan place, you know.
Mommy, you really get yourself in that? What we are going to do now? Me have to go look and work or try to do something because I'm here from day one. Me and you alone, no father, no nothing. What I go on for we? You know what to do, mommy?
I stress the people, them stress me out.
You know what to do? I'm going to help you out.
Where you go do?
I'm going to look at work in the aisle and try help you out.
Supermarket, that the money they now go work out. Me not think that, listen to me, my daughter. You don't know no little man. We and him there for a long time or so. To help out the situation.
Boy, mommy, I don't know that I go, you know. Because you know, say, them man nowadays, if you ask them for nothing, they want back something or them will kill me.
My daughter, calm down. A long time me at the road. What you say? You have one little man when you talk to?
Well, mommy, I have one little one skull me that my short, but a good while now me and him stop talk, but I know say he have money, he have things. But I don't know how much I get some money from him, you know.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Me have the perfect plan. You see the next time you call him, just tell him say you're pregnant.
Oh, me I gotta do that 4 months now. Me and him stop talking. Every time we have sex, me use condom. So what me I gotta do, mommy?
Use your head, little girl. Tell him say the last time you and him have sex, the condom burst. But you did afraid to tell him. But right now, you suffer. And you alone are struggle with it and you need help and you need to stand up as a daddy.
Why, mommy? Where you learn them this style from? You did bad. They look like you did bad.
You chat too much. Take up your phone and call the man. I call you if you call me. I did it then. Call the man.
I'm going to call him right now.
What is that coming for? Hello?
Public. What happened?
What you mean who this?
Who this?
Amanda. Yeah. No, go on with nothing. Just a call if you tell her something. Nothing like that. You know I'm pregnant though. Okay, why father? What you mean why father? Are you alone me have sex with?
Me? Oh, yo, eh. Remember, say, when me and you do it,
Well, I guess it burst or something in a long run. But me know I'm pregnant and I alone. I been asleep with. Yes, me will come link you. Yeah. Always. Alright. Public. Public.
but wait. My God. How you coming? You have a key or something?
The door was open and I made your new baby mother.
Come in, man. Come in, come. Make yourself at home. You know what I mean? Because you don't know say what for me I feel. Because, you know, you're my baby mother.
Touch your man, me I feel pain, hot.
You feel pain? My God, I can't believe. I know, sir. Like you're there now, but I want to even water head because I always hear my brother them talk about and water them baby mother head and all these things. And them the things that make the delivery. When you have a baby, you just come out right away. You don't want to come on, you have a safe delivery. So I have to go water head.
Yeah, go water it, but I am tonight.
I know easy at all. But on a serious note still, 4 months. What take you so long to contact me? You sure it's for me, Pitney?
It's so unbelievable. Imagine me come, me tell us me I feel pain and everything, discomfort. I kill me right now, me sitting here, so. Right now, you stress out all me. You stress out all the baby. Not one piece of KFC you could buy. Your baby want a piece of chicken, KFC, hot and spicy. So if you could go get that, I appreciate it.
Don't stress yourself, man. Don't stress yourself. KFC, you want, baby want KFC? If your baby want KFC, I get KFC. I get my 1-piece meal and I get you 1 2-piece meal. So, I don't want you stress out the baby. I get you a KFC here. I get a 3-piece?
Yeah.
3-piece, alright. Oh, what kind of drinks you want? You want
Pepsi.
Baby don't drink Pepsi. You can't drink Pepsi with the baby. I get a true juice. I get a juice here. Juice and water.
Can get me a true juice?
True juice. I get some true juice. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, baby, it sound good. It sounds good.
Yeah.
Alright, so my son come back here.
Alright, B.
No, it's just what the baby not talk. You know what the baby hungry. Yeah?
Yeah. But mommy, thinking about it, how we belly a go? Because me tell him 4 months, you know. And the belly be show my belly flat like mommy.
Don't worry yourself about it. May I come the whole time. You see this? This can work miracle. Watch me. I'm going to show you how this thing works. We don't play with them. That's why you look nice. You look like a young mother, my daughter.
Mommy.
If it you know? If it of true man.
Mommy, you work for Trina? Right now, KFC and go and buy. Alright.
What? Tell her. Phone a burn up. What? Every minute somebody mention me. Me see your phone, me see her go on, yeah, kick up views.
Tagalang bad man, me not lie.
And you know, if I tell you the truth. Oh, you did there. I will away there idea when the song build up. Fire creative. Fire phone that one. Fire said, don't open your mouth. Don't open your mouth. For all of the fans them when they like open their mouth. And you know over there so they have the fans them where can open their mouth.
And one thing though with you, girl, you're determined, you know long. You write song and sound that when I get a bus here. I rate you.
How long know me the music?
I must say a long time you know, you know. You write song from primary.
Boomba. Some know say I'm a real Gina dog. Even me remember say so long me the music, you know. Yo, hold on. You know say somebody else me tell you. Yeah, cut.
Careful on the road. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Open your eyes.
Yeah. Same to me.
Come on. Peep out. Boy, that man have to come here every night. You can't
You
make
can't
rest.
stand the talk bullshit. I wish I did me one man to come for every night.
No one knows that she's safe still, doesn't me?
But the girl is well alright. I worry about the wrong thing.
Cause she's street smart, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I said some more. I want with it.
So they're not going to party tonight?
No, sir. We're staying home.
I know me wrong. I have no money.
We're broke.
Why? If we have money with our sponsor, I will have money. But now I have money, I know. Well, you can check yourself when I touch your road still, so later.
Alright, yeah, man.
Yeah, take care.
Cool.
Boy, we need to do better, you know. Everybody's on the road and we just there, so.
Not true, with a musty house, Lily.
I true school of way, man.
I don't lie. Every time soon come, man, know yourself. Understand?
I know, I feel like I'm going to give one professor where look me a link.
Yeah, at least you have an option.
I want to not sleep yet. I don't know coursework.
Look at this one here. I said, come in and ask about coursework.
Coursework.
Every minute I talk about man. How about man, so?
So I'm to you, Kira. You don't have no man. You come and talk about coursework. You not no man.
We can't go and talk. My main focus right now is college. Man can't stay for last when time I done college and get my Toyota RAV4 and something.
They're not perfect, you know. But you know, so we need them at times. We need to go cuddling. Somebody to take we out, bring us presents and gifts and we feel special. What you talk about, girl? And when you're down and your man call and tell us something nice, you know that feel good.
And
What
if
you
I'm
talk
money.
about? Worst thing I tell us when I get some money.
She don't understand, you know. Yes,
What
man.
do you?
Send me to college. Phone, man pay. Little apartment, yeah. Man still help me pay that. When you're lonely. Why you look start out in your pleasure? What you are going to do? Talk, man, talk.
I mean, no, she not have a tie. So tell me something. Suppose when you left school, right? And you get a degree. And you still not get a job. And you can't put out, you can't nothing for yourself. What you going to do? You are going to need backup TV, you are going to need backup. And the only backup is man unless you are going to take woman. Talk to me.
Well, I see one nice cute guy from the school and he said like me. I don't know if I like him, so, but I think I'll give him a chance and see what going on.
Give him a chance.
Yeah, man, give man a chance and make him take your virginity.
You can
Just make sure so when you start, you have your protection. Always have a condom.
You know, so sometimes I really want to know if it's true. Make sure so you don't make me make no mistake, you know.
We don't make you make no mistake. Are we have your front?
Oi! May I come there? Ah, God. Yeah, David.
You know, say iPhone charger me come borrow though. Cause me wake up this morning and realize that my charger not work.
You can get one. You know what I mean? We can make sure me get it right now for you.
So my friend Ashley, she not there.
Yo, I don't even hear about the name there right now, you know. Hold on. One second.
Yo.
Give me brother, what go on?
Look, one thing more you do for me today. No man, I know what I send you man, I just want you to carry me. But drop me off on my wedding.
Yeah man, yeah. Drop it down, sir. No problem, man. Me a forward now. Yeah? Alright, cool. Here we go. Let me go for each other fast. Look, I'm going to run on the road, yeah?
Alright.
Don't move on it.
Yeah, man. I respect you. Yeah, man. I wonder what they have. Let me call Ashley and find out what going on. Cause phone battery all dead too, you know. Now it sound like your phone are on this. So. Girl! Sorry, I see the girl.
Yeah, Mom. Are you call me?
Yes. Yeah, sit down. How you feel, man?
Boy, I not even know which part to start tell her from. By the way, how you here? How you know say me and my man in a thing?
Just a come over your yard. I see them go borrow your charger. Cause he lend me this and I know say no film charger. Cause I never see me iPhone charger. I ask him for you. You want to see the face he give me? You know say man there dirty dog though.
And I really him do nothing still, you know. But I want a long story. I will leave to it. One next time when I see him, I tell him, I just stress out.
What you say? But it sound like a big things are going on the man. Like you hide things from me, you know, so we live.
No, man. Nothing like that. I not hide nothing from you, girl. I just stress out. You know, then one day I crab up. But I'm going to make you know what I go on. I go down here, yeah.
Make
You're
sure
good
you know.
now.
Yeah, man, me good man. If I not, you know, say you always can talk to me.
You're going to know everything.
You sure say yes, sir?
Yeah, man, I write just man, I write just
Oh. So, what you say I do love you, sir?
You know, say, I want my brethren link me for come video and wedding film. So, hold on. When me say wedding, your face look so?
You remember Ashley? For me, girl? And the reason I say girl right now because I can't believe she don't do that to me. Brother, the girl, no, give me bun with one brethren who I know personally. But at the party when I see her, you know what I mean? And to me, it better somebody when tell me about it than me have to see it for myself. Don't in a man throat. You know what I mean?
But,
I mean,
sorry, I
myself,
don't mean to laugh, but I don't in a throat part, can I get me? But really and truly on a serious note, me never expect that from Ashley still. But where she there now?
She up a yard there, brother.
Where you just say?
Try with a girl.
She up in your yard? Jaja. Alright, so hold on. Me think say done left for her after she cheat. But big man thing. What you plan for?
My brother, for real, you know, hear what going on. Me wanna think about for work it out, you know. But which part of the reach right now, brother? I can't do it because you see how I feel, how the girl make me feel seen say, you know, she do it and not tell the story about it. I feel for you, mash her down. You know what I mean? I lick down all the youth and thing. But based on what I go on, at 3 days, I get it come out of the place, you know. But it's still there yard still, but connection, you don't know. 8 years, you know. 8 years, brother. That I problem.
Alright, you are one, brother. Not do nothing too rush. Zane, just take a deep breath.
and just think about everything what you gotta do. Because I know say rough, you know. You see me? See I know how with me I gotta do. So people still are getting married. So at least there is still hope. You see me? So just do the right thing. If you have to let her go. And just no rushing or nothing. If you find a new girl, you find a new girl. But I go match up this and now and just see if you can come pick me up later though, see? Alright, so if anything look more there, see? Let it go there, see? Yeah.
Are you see there? Alright. You know, saying I make no sense, me try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vexing and me for feel a way about the whole situation. I make no sense. All this don't make no sense.
I can't deal with it like this. You understand? I can't talk to you in this state. You hear me know say me wrong. I know say I'm me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Because I guess I know. You see the stage where they're right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't, me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm if you know say out. You have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know say me wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other thing.
I know say me wrong and everything, but me not have, you have to give me some time or something.
No time not there. I be a skeleton there right now, so guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, I know somebody come tell me, you know. I know somebody come and miss you with my eyes, so guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here I go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find somebody. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me are there for 8 years now. Look for me when me talk me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me are there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to all have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now me put you out. You talk about shares. Share was the only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If me go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no heart.
If you want to reach a police, make you reach a police. What you have to do, what you have to do. Enjoy your day. You start now.
How did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. A wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, you just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess you know, you see a girl that talk or something. I don't want to do not know what I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make she take her things out of the place.
You know, say me all agree on that too. Because any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.